Are you new to project management? Or are you in the middle of a project and it's going sideways? Are you getting requests from your manager, directors, or even senior executives to change your time, scope, and budget and all the hard work that you've done with an expectation of nothing else is going to change? Are you now working overtime and are stressed? Well, good news, I have a solution for you. I'm Adriana Girdler, president of Cornerstone Dynamics and the founder of Slay Project Management. And I'm going to share with you all of my techniques so that you can increase your success rate on your projects. When projects are successful, that means more work-life balance, time, scope, and budget are met, more opportunity for higher profile projects, and more positive reinforcement for you and your career, leading to better advancement. I have a quick and succinct solution delivered through video that you can access anytime and you can work at your own pace. You also get access to our private online community where you can ask me questions and get advice. I have helped clients go from project newbies to project manager ninjas. I typically work with clients who are struggling to learn the ropes of project management, and I help them by doing the following. Teach them the exact formula I use when I slay my projects, give them every single template they need in order to crush it so that they can be successful, and guiding them through every single stage of the project life cycle step by step. If this sounds like you, click on the link around this video, sign up, you'll be glad you did.